Welcome. Today we are diving into the core of statistical testing. We are going to talk about the alternative hypothesis, often denoted as HA or H1. This is the heart of what researchers are actually trying to discover. To understand this, let's use a courtroom analogy. In a trial, a defendant is assumed innocent until proven guilty. In statistics, the null hypothesis is that innocence. But the alternative hypothesis is the prosecution's case. It represents the guilt they are trying to prove based on evidence. It is the burden of proof. By definition, the alternative hypothesis is the statement that contradicts the null. It is your research claim. Whether you are testing a new medicine, a marketing strategy, or a scientific theory, this hypothesis represents the change, difference, or effect you hope to demonstrate is true. Mathematically, the alternative hypothesis is very strict. It never contains an equals sign. Instead, it uses inequalities. It can state that something is simply not equal to a specific value, less than a value, or greater than a value. These signs determine the direction of your test. Let's compare the two side by side. The null hypothesis is the status quo, the boring assumption that nothing is happening, and it always includes equality. The alternative hypothesis is the exciting part. It is the research claim, it uses strict inequalities, and it is the specific statement we gather evidence to support. When your alternative hypothesis uses a not equal to sign, we perform a two-tailed test. This means we don't care if the result is bigger or smaller, just that it is different. If our data falls into either of the extreme ends or tails of the distribution, we reject the null hypothesis. If your claim uses a less than sign, we perform a left-tailed test. Here, we only care if the result is significantly lower than the assumed value. We look for evidence only in the lower left-hand tail of the curve. Conversely, if your claim uses a greater than sign, we use a right-tailed test. We are testing if a value has increased or is significantly higher. In this case, our evidence must fall in the upper right-hand tail to support our claim. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a pharmaceutical company claims a new drug reduces recovery time from the standard 7 days. The null hypothesis says the recovery time is still 7 days or more, no improvement. The alternative hypothesis, our research claim, states that recovery time is strictly less than 7 days. This would be a left-tailed test. To summarize, the alternative hypothesis is your research claim. It directly contradicts the status quo. It never uses an equals sign, and the direction of its inequality, whether greater than, less than, or not equal, tells you exactly where to look for evidence to prove your case.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.